The Solstice is back, fellas. We're gonna finally be doing some big mods. Only reason why it's getting big mods is because I'm pretty sure it's blown up.
Looks blown up to me.
Let's get the battery charger on it and we'll see if it starts. How about now? I don't think it was locked up the last time I parked. It was running back. Anyways, what we're gonna be doing in this video is taking this engine apart, finding the problem.
It's a little rear weight bias on this thing.
Yeah. We should make it pop on and off, or make the entire front end tilt up like a pro mod.
Yeah. What are the chances you can find that bolt you dropped?
Well, I didn't drop a bolt, I dropped a nut.
Oh my God. Right, we've spared the disassembly process till this moment. Can you reach that plug on the other side? Every plug on this car has like all the spots you press are on the bottom side of everything. Okay, we'll just pull this out. Let's see if we can lift this up, pull it out and get the plug in the hood. This is gonna tell us if we took everything off. Correct. Oh yeah, there she goes. Do we see anything in there of concern?
Not really.
There is a lot of oil on it though.
Yeah.
Like here has a ton, and then up here, I don't know if I see any.
There's no like visible.
What about in the middle layer? Any cracks in between cylinders on the middle layer? Because that can do it like in this area. Not seeing anything right off the bat.
Anything that really screams busted head.
There is a lot of stuff here on this corner. I guess I'll look in the cylinders. Or yeah, piston. There's got to be a reason why this thing was smoking so bad. There is a lot of coolant
Yeah.
on this head surface. Definitely gonna have to do a deep dive and see what was going on.
I think we may have found our problems.
So,
Go ahead and give us a turn.
So when Megan was driving this, she's like, I could have swore I heard metal coming out of the bottom of the car. And I was like, well, there's no holes in the engine. I didn't see any. Probably hearing metal hit the bottom of the oil pan. Take a look at our engine and see if you can spot what's wrong while I'm turning this. It's looking like we may have had a rod cap exit the chat.
I don't know that a new head's gonna fix this.
Looks like we may have an engine rebuild on our hands, boys.
Well, all I gotta say is it's a good thing you just bought that a barf.
That's that is, I've never seen anything like that in my life. I should have known something was wrong. It ran. I drove it into this driveway. It was running. Look at how much oil came out of this thing. This is a 5-quart engine.
That looks like 5 quarts to me.
This is all that came out of it. That's like a quart.
Well, I guess that would explain why cylinder 1 was looking a little odd on the valve side.
What's that cylinder? No, that's the back side.
Or is it?
Yeah, that was the back. Oh, we haven't even looked at the
Oh,
head.
it was.
We'll take a look at it real quick. So if we pop here's the head that we took off. Take a look at that. That's burned up.
Getting a little
that was
hot.
running lean. Yeah, it's hot. The one that wasn't firing ain't too bad. We got a rich one here. Every plug is ruined. That's not what I was looking for to see. That's horrible. I have got my work cut out. You know, it's a shame we don't have any engine stands sitting in there ready to go.
Or any room.
Any room.
We got 18 engines in there.
Nobody's seen. Here's our current building situation.
How many engines we got in here?
Let's see, 4 there. 7 engines currently. It's got out of hand. It's
7 engines and about 20 heads.
Yo, we got heads in the floor. There's a head. There's a head. There's 2 heads. 2 heads there. Plenty of heads. We're gonna have to make room for a LNF 2.0 now. These 2 are getting worked on currently. That's gonna be another video. We got videos coming out like crazy. Now I will say we got this.
That's ready to go in.
This one's mine. That can go in the Solstice.
If Luke gets his speakers out, you can shove a stand over in that corner.
That is true. If Luke gets his stuff out of here, we got at least room for another engine there, and I'll move that cart and we can put one over there. And then if we get all these parts sold, we can put one in front of the door.
Yeah, because how much is just one of those blocks?
I can get one used for like $500, but this block by itself is expensive. Like if you got a new one, and you wouldn't get this one. This specific block is the porous one. You would upgrade to the stronger one. So we're gonna have to weigh our options. Unless this block is good. If this block's damaged, then it might have to get it out of this.
With how it broke and how many times it was started and ran in its condition, this block might be toast.
Yeah,
it's
it had to
probably
have been weaker. It had to have been backing the rod bolts out over time.
It's probably a good thing we couldn't get this thing started that first day we came down here.
Poor thing. Failures, we got our work cut out for us. So we're about to be suffering.